Peekaboo! I see you! It's Uncle Peekaboo! Make sure you watch until the end because in this video, we're gonna learn the different parts of a lawn tractor, fly a real photography drone, escape from a scary pterodactyl, cut the grass, and so much more. Let's go! Oh hey, it's me, Uncle Peekaboo. We're playing with toys. I have a monster truck, and he has a toy lawn tractor. You want to crash him?
Yeah!
On the count of 3, crash. 1, 2, 3, crash! Ah! These toys are really fun. Look at how cool this toy lawn tractor is. This is called a scale toy. That means that it's the same proportion as the real thing. Ready? Let's make our toys jump so high. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, jump so high! Man, these toys sure are a lot of fun, but I wish we had a real lawn tractor. Oh! I'm having an idea!
Oh, lawn tractor!
Maybe if we take this toy lawn tractor and we focus really, really hard and put all our energy and try to turn it into a real lawn tractor and see if it works. Okay, ready? On the count of 3, I'm gonna need your help too, okay? All of your energy, focus really, really hard, and we'll turn this toy lawn tractor into a real lawn tractor. Okay, ready? 1, oh, I'm focusing so hard. 2, okay, on the count of 3, I'm gonna snap my fingers and see if it works. Oh, I'm focusing really hard. 3, oh my, wow, look, it actually worked. It's a real lawn tractor. Ho ho! I love lawn tractors. Isn't it cool? Hey, I have an idea. You want to learn all the different parts of the lawn tractor with me? Okay, here we go. This part of the lawn tractor is called the tire. And this yellow part in the middle, that's called the wheel.
The wheel.
Yeah, and look, here's another tire. Another tire and another wheel. There's a tire and a wheel at both the back and the front. Look, there's another tire and wheel. And another tire and wheel. That's 4 tires and wheels. Wow. Oh, and look at this part of the lawn tractor. This is the seat. That's where you sit when you operate the lawn tractor. And guess what? There's a secret compartment. You lift up the seat and
whoa!
Ta-da! You have other parts. This is the gas tank. That's where you put the fuel into the lawn tractor. And this part of the lawn tractor is called the cutting deck. This is where the blades are stored that cut the grass. If you were to look underneath this, you'd see all kinds of different belts that spin around really fast and turn the blades really, really fast, and it cuts the grass. This part right here is called the cutting deck wheel. That's just in case you get stuck. And come over here. I'll show you what happens when the blades cut the grass. They cut all the grass and it shoots it out to this side right here. This is called the grass chute. And it's where the grass shoots out of the lawn tractor. Right here, we have the steering wheel. This part is called the key. You have to have the key to turn it on. this button right here, can you see this yellow knob? When you pull this button out, it activates the blades so it starts cutting the grass. Oh, and if you turn the key to right here, take a look. It turns the lights on. See if the lights are on. Can you see them? Cool. This button right here, if you press this yellow button, it means you can go in reverse at the same time that the blades are moving. This lever is the color orange. Orange. And this lever controls the speed of the lawn tractor. If you put it down here to the turtle, see this little sign right here? Can you see that? It's a turtle, and that means you go really slow like a turtle. Ready? That's silly. But if you turn the orange lever up to the bunny rabbit, you go really, really fast like a fast bunny rabbit. This part of the lawn tractor right here is the emergency brake. You push it up to turn the brake on, and you push it down to turn it off. See this lever right here? This is the brake of the lawn tractor. This right here where my foot is, this is the gas. That makes the lawn tractor go forward. See, the arrow's pointing that way. And this lever right here makes the lawn tractor go backwards. See, the arrow's pointing backwards. Have you ever wondered, what if I was riding my lawn tractor, minding my own business, cutting the grass, and a scary pterodactyl were to fly out of the sky and get me? Well, that's why I installed this special button right here. This is my Uncle Bee-Boo anti-pterodactyl button. So the way it works is you're riding along and you see a scary pterodactyl come out of the sky. You press the pterodactyl button and poof, the lawn tractor turns partly invisible and it disorients the pterodactyl and he gets scared and he flies away. It's really come in handy a lot of times when I'm cutting the grass and pterodactyls try to get me. Oh, I'm having an idea. Let's ride the tractor, but let's also get one of my other cool toys. It's an aerial photography drone. This is an aerial photography drone. Isn't it cool? It's so fancy. And look, it has 4 different motors that have a set of propellers on each one. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this right here, this is the battery. This is what gives the drone its power. And this part right here is called the camera. And the camera is on a special thing called a gimbal. The gimbal makes it wiggle around like that, and that makes so when the drone is flying, it keeps the image straight. And these things right here, these are sensors, and they alert the drone if it's coming too close to an object and it's gonna crash. This makes it so you don't crash. And look, underneath, there's even more sensors. Isn't that cool? This is the transmitter, and it controls the drone. You use these controls to tell the drone where to go. I have an idea. Let's put the drone way up in the sky and take pictures of us cutting the grass. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, look at this real drone. It's so cool. I'm controlling it with this transmitter. Ready? Up and down and backwards and forward and lean to the right and lean to the left. Whoa, it's so cool. Let's get a closer look at it, okay? It's a real drone. Whoa. I'm gonna take the drone and go up so fast. Ready? it goes really, really high. It goes so high, sometimes you can't even see it. And so you have to look on your screen and it tells you where you are. Oh, I almost forgot, we're supposed to be cutting the grass. Come on. All right, now we get to ride the lawn tractor. Woohoo! This is my favorite part of doing yard work. Wow, riding lawn tractors is so much fun. It's kind of hard to even call this work. It's more like play. Hey, I have an idea. Let's see what it looks like from the drone way up in the sky. Whoa, check that out. It looks so cool from the sky. And look at the chickens. The chickens are going crazy. Whoa, 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 Uncle Beaver's kind of a crazy driver. Whoa, look at all that dust and dirt. Doing yard work is dusty and dirty, but it's so much fun. Let's look at it from the sky again. That was cool. Whoa, look at the grass disappear. Whoa, look at this big chunk. There it goes. Look at all the dust. Whoa. Ha ha, I love riding the lawn tractor. Uh-oh. Oh no, I think I see something. Hey, you see that? Oh no, it's the scary pterodactyl! Oh, I was afraid that this would happen. Look at that scary pterodactyl flying in the air. Oh my, wow, there he is. He's right there. Oh, I hope he doesn't. Oh no, he's trying to get us. Oh no, the scary pterodactyl. I better hit my invisibility button in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my, wow! My lawn tractor's invisible now, and the pterodactyl flew away. It worked! Yeah! You're walking on the invisible tractor! Go, yeah! Yeah! Whoa, that sure was a close one with that scary pterodactyl. Let's do some celebratory circles to celebrate. Let's take a look from the sky. Okay, here we go. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. I better stop. Oh, I know. Here's another part of the lawn that needs to be mowed. Whoa. Look at this part. I have to go up this steep hill. This is so fun. Oh, I gotta pull this lever to activate the blades. Ready? Go. Now we're cutting the grass. Look how cool it looks from way, way up in the sky. It's like I'm painting lines on the ground, but really I'm cutting the grass. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no, there he is again. It's that rascally pterodactyl. Why won't he just let us cut the grass in peace? Oh no, here he comes. Oh no, he's gonna get us. Oh yeah, I have an anti-pterodactyl button. I'll just hit this button. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh my, wow, it worked again. And look, the pterodactyl went away. I just love my anti-pterodactyl button on this lawn tractor. Good job, lawn tractor. Maybe now we can cut the grass in peace. Yay, let's celebrate and do this last row in peace. There's no more pterodactyls. Whee, look how cool that looks. I love cutting the grass with my lawn tractor. Hey, it's me again, Uncle Beaver. I had so much fun learning and playing with you today in this video. Hey, do you want to watch more of my videos? Well, all you gotta do is search for Uncle Beaver. But to make it easy, just search Bee-Boo. That's B-B-O-O. Bee-Boo. Oh, and don't forget to hit that big red button that says subscribe. Well, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!